Hello friends, welcome back to our maths lecture, maths class. Okay, so we were talking about our exercise 2.5 in which we had solved sums up to 5. We had solved totally 4 sums, but there was a third sum which was very easy. That is why I have given it to you. Solve yourself. Okay, and today we will see question 6 and 7 is also easy. Once I will solve the question 8, you will be able to solve question number 7. Okay, this is extremely easy. If you will able to learn as how I am solving question 8, then question number 7 is nothing. It's very easy. Okay, so let me see question 6 and question 8. Question 6 is कि m minus 1 divided by 2. m minus 1 divided by 2. There is a 2 term into left side. First is m, second is m minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and in the right hand side there is a term is 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so there is also 2 term in the left right side also, this and this, 1 and m minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, and we have been asked to solve the equation. Okay, let's see. First of all, as I explained you earlier also, that I can put the 1 below to any number. I can put the 1 below to any number. Now you can see this term has become like m divided by 1 minus m minus 1 divided by 2. So of course there is a 2 term, 2 value, and there is a minus between these 2 value. So first of all we will try to find out the LCM of 2 and 1. Now it's a very easy. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So we will try to bring 2 in both denominator, here as well as here. Okay. So you tell me with which number I should multiply 1. मैं 1 को किससे multiply करूँ? With which number I should multiply 1? So I will get 2. मैं 1 को किससे multiply करूँ कि जिससे मुझे 2 मिले? So of course I will have to multiply with number 2. And same number I will have to multiply in a numerator. Here you can see here 2 is already in a denominator, so I don't need to do anything. मुझे कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. m minus 1 as it is. Here you can see the LCM of 3 and 1. 3 और 1 का LCM होगा 3. So I will have to bring 3 here and 3 here. But here it is already 3 is given. Okay. So I will multiply 1 with 3. So 1 3 are 3, I will get 3. Same number you need to multiply in a numerator. Here 3 is already given. 3 has been already given, so we don't need to do anything. हमें कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. m minus 2 numerator is as it is. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2m, m 2s are 2m. Okay. Minus 2 as it is, m minus 1 as it is. Then 1 3s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. Okay. Minus 3 as it is, m minus 2 as it is. Okay. Now you can see 2 2 same denominator, so I will do the one line of division and I will put 2 in a denominator and I will put whatever has been given into numerator. So what has been given in numerator? 2m minus m minus 1. Okay. Here you might be surprised कि why I have done bracket over here. You will get your answer in the next step. Okay. I have done 3 as it is. Here 3 is I will do a big line of division. I will put 3 into denominator. Then 3 as it is and again minus m minus 2. Now you will see. Now you will understand why I have done this bracket over here. See, because whenever there is a minus sign between these two terms, whenever there is a minus sign between these two values, you always have to do minus sign and then do bracket. Why? Because when you will remove the bracket, you need to change the sign. आपको sign change करने की जरूरत है, इसीलिए आपको ये bracket रखना भी जरूरी है. तो आप क्या करोगे? 2m as it is and now sign will be changed. m अभी कैसा है? प्लस है, so it will be minus and ये -1 कैसा बन जाएगा? +1. जब हम ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे तब now here 3 as it is and 3 this 3 as it is. Now again I am going to remove the bracket, so m minus 2 कैसा बन जाएगा plus 2. Okay, now I have written this 2 as it is. Now 2m minus m, how many m is here? 2m. And how many m is here? 1m. तो 2m में से 1m subtract हो जाए तो how many m will remain? 1m. m plus 1. And here 3 as it is. 3 minus, sorry, this is plus 3, this is plus 2. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus m. Okay. Now I'm not sure whether you are able to see here or not. Let me share. Okay. So now what you need to do, again we have come at that place where we used to do a cross multiplication. Okay, तो हमें क्या करना है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसके साथ और 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसके साथ. 3 will be multiplied by m plus 1 and these 2 will be multiplied by 5 minus m. 5 minus m. Then 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन m के साथ और 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 के साथ. When we are going to remove the bracket, 3m 3 1s are 3 plus 3. Okay, 2 5s are 10 and 2m, 2 और m का multiplication 2m. Okay, now I have written this 3m as it is. I am going to move this minus 2m left side, so it will become plus 2m. And I have written this 10 as it is, and I am going to move this 3 into right side, so it will become minus 3. So 3m plus 2m is 5m, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So m is equal to 7, and this 5 will go into the denominator. So the value of m is 7 divided by 5. Value of m is 7 divided by 5. So we have solved the equation. What I did in this example, I am telling you in a very 1 minute कि हमें क्या करना है. सबसे पहले मैंने 1 1 नीचे लिख दिया, फिर हमें सेम डिनोमिनेटर लाना है. तो मैंने 2 और m का एलसीएम लिया जो मुझे 2 मिला. तो मैंने 2 लाने की कोशिश की इन यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी. तो यहाँ पर तो ऑलरेडी 2 था, so I have done nothing. Here I multiply 1 with 2 so that I can get a 2 here and here also. It's a root. Okay. Same thing I have done here. मुझे यहाँ पर भी 3 3 डिनोमिनेटर में लाना है. 2 2 डिनोमिनेटर में लाने के बाद मैंने उसको 1 टाइम लिखा और न्यूमरेटर में जो भी था वैसा का वैसा लिख दिया. But the most careful thing that we have to perform is कि whenever we are going to write a numerator, at that time if we are having a sign of minus between these two values, we will always put the sign of minus and then we will put this second value in a bracket. दूसरी वैल्यू जो है उसको ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. सेम थिंग मैंने यहाँ पर भी की. फिर जब ब्रैकेट रिमूव होगा तो मैं उसके साइन चेंज करूंगा. मैंने m का m भी कैसा है प्लस है तो मैंने उसको माइनस बना दिया. यहाँ पर भी m कैसा था प्लस तो मैंने उसको माइनस बना दिया. -1 became +1, -2 became +2. Then it's very easy for all of us. 2m minus m plus m plus 1, 3 plus 2 5 minus m as it is. Then we done cross multiplication. Now after that it's very easy for all of us. Okay. Then the final value of variable is, here variable was m, not x. Okay. So this 8 sum is, here you can see there is in right hand side only 0 has been given, nothing else value. Okay. All the value has been given as into left hand side. In the right hand side only 0 has been given. So first of all, what are the main major steps that we follow to find out the any equation, solve any equation? First is कि we will try to bring together all the variable. जो भी वेरिएबल x x है तो उसको हम साथ में लाएंगे और नंबर है उसको हम अलग कर देंगे. सेकंड इज कि जो वेरिएबल है उसको हम साइन ऑफ इक्वलिटी के एक तरफ रखेंगे और जो नंबर है उसको दूसरी तरफ रखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम ये करेंगे. Then we will find out the value of variable. So same thing I will do here. First of all I will try to remove the bracket. यहाँ पर भी ब्रैकेट है, यहाँ पर भी ब्रैकेट है, यहाँ पर भी ब्रैकेट है. So removing the bracket is a very easy thing for us. Now we can do this. 5 का 15 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन y के साथ और 15 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 4 के साथ. यहाँ पर हमने बहुत बार वो किया है. यहाँ पर भी हमने I don't know here we have done or not, but yes, here we have done it. 3 का multiplication m के साथ, 3 का multiplication 1, 2 5 का 2 का m का. Same thing we will do here. 5 will be multiplied with y, 15 will be multiplied by y, so 15y and 15 will be multiplied by 4. So 15 4s are minus 60. Okay. Now be careful because here we have been given a sign of minus. So 2 का multiplication y के साथ it will become 2y and 2 9s are 18. But here sign will be changed because 2 9s are 18. But here it is minus sign, here it is minus sign. So it will become plus sign. Don't make a mistake while you are removing the bracket. It's very important. Okay. Next. 5 will be multiplied by y, so 5y is 5y and 5 6 are 30. So you might have observed that whenever we have the sign of plus before the bracket, at that time we don't need to do any worry about that. But whenever we have the sign of minus before the bracket and when we are going to remove the bracket, at that time we have to pay more attention. We need to be more concentrated. Okay, because there is a chances that we commit a little bit mistake of even of sign. जो प्लस आता है at that time we are doing minus, and when suppose the thing is कि we need to put a minus and we are doing plus, at that time there is a strong chances that your answer will come wrong. So that is why I am saying कि whenever you have a minus sign before the bracket, you need to be more careful. Okay, let's see. Now I will try to bring together all variable. Okay, जो भी variable उसको मैं साफ लाने का try करूँगा. I have written this 15y as it is. Then this 5y plus 5y and this minus 2y. I am very sure that you don't have any doubt. Okay, so why did not you change the sign when you are moving this 5y to this 5y है तो उसको मैंने प्लस 5y क्यों रखा, मैंने क्यों माइनस 5y नहीं किया. आप तो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि इस तरफ को इस तरफ ले आओ, यहाँ से उस तरफ ले जाओ, तो आपको साइन चेंज करनी है. वो कब करनी है? While you are moving the any value, any term from right side to left side or left side to right side from the sign of equality. ये sign of equality है. यहाँ से अगर कोई चीज को आप अंदर लाते हो और यहाँ से अगर किसी भी चीज को बाहर लेके जाता हो, at that time you need to change the sign. Here I am just moving 5y here from here to here. At that time I don't need to change the sign. यहाँ पर मुझे साइन चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी साइन है वही की वही रहेगी. यहाँ पर जैसे कि -60 है तो मैंने -60 लिखे. यहाँ पर +18 and +30, I have written this +30 0. Okay. Now 15y plus 5y, 15y plus 5y, 20y minus 2y, 20y minus 2y, 18y. Then 18 plus 30, this 18 plus 30 plus 18 plus 30 plus 18 plus 30, 40 plus 48 plus 48 minus 60 plus 48 minus 60. तो प्लस 48 है और माइनस 60, तो प्लस माइनस करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो 40 प्लस 48 माइनस 60, तो क्या बन जाएंगे? सबसे पहले 12 will remain. 60 minus 48 करोगे तो 12. Now you need to think about कि which is the biggest number. Minus 60 is biggest number or plus 48 is biggest number. Of course minus 60 is biggest number. So sign will come of minus is equal to 0. हमने इन तीनों का सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, जो प्लस 18y बना. आप इसका भी अपने ही तरीके से, अपने ही मेथड से, if you feel कि from where sir did get this -12, then you can apply your own method. That is very easy for you कि -60 plus 80 और plus 13 का सिंप्लीफिकेशन -12 कैसे हुआ. you can apply any of your method. Suppose you can do minus 60 plus 30, then you can add plus 18. You can do minus 60 plus 18, then you can add plus 30. In whichever method you follow, you feel easy, you will always come with your answer minus 12. आपका आंसर minus 12 ही आएगा. Then I have written this minus plus 18y as it is. I have written this sign of equality as it is. I have written this 0 as it is. I am just going to move this minus 12 to the right side. Now I will change the sign. It will become plus 12. I have written this plus 18y as it is. 0 plus 12 is 12. 0 12 का एडिशन कितना होता है? 12. Y is equal to 12. I have written this 12 as it is, and I am going to move this 18 into right hand side. So it will come in denominator. So y is equal to 12 divided by 18. We got our final answer. कि value of variable is 12 divided by 18. So if it is possible to simplify this value more, अगर possible है इस value को more simplify करने का, तो we will try. You can see 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So value of y is 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. So this would be our final answer. Okay. Based upon that means based upon the how we were removing this bracket. हम इस bracket को कैसे remove करते थे? Based upon very this thing, you will be asked question number 7. यहाँ पर जो 8 है वैसा आपके बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है. You will solve that question yourself. It is very easy. It's not as difficult as even this question number 8 was not difficult. But the thing is कि when you will able to understand this question, you will be very easily you can solve the question number 7. तो वो 7 नंबर का क्वेश्चन वो आपको उससे करना है. 9th क्वेश्चन जो है उसकी वैल्यू भी कुछ इस तरीके से, if you are not able to solve, but at least try to solve that question number 9. Might be you can come up with the right answer. Who knows? Okay. So I hope you understood both the sum very well. But if you are still have query, you can ask to me. Okay. Thank you.